IT profiles for EC engineers. So there are 8 to 9 profiles in IT section. So four profiles are for testing. First is software testing, second is core Java and Selenium testing, third is Python Selenium testing, fourth is API testing. So these are testing for codes. So these are these kind of profiles. Now profile 5, 6 and 7, these are important kind of profiles. So fifth is full stack development, then sixth is ML and deep learning, that is machine learning, deep learning, and seventh is machine learning and natural language programming. So these three profiles are for development kind of profiles. Full stack development includes all kind of development like web development, app development, desktop mobile application development, etc. Then there are two courses which are diploma in advanced computing and diploma in big data analytics. So these are two courses. Full stack development, so this is a important profile which covers all the aspects of web based businesses. So these are the contents in which or subsections of full stack development which we have to study, or we can say which we will be dealing with. First is foundation of programming. So this is a basic course for programming. First is programming 101 in Java, memory, GRE, JVM, variables, data types, typecasting, conditional statement, loops, functions. So this is for programming in Java. Understanding Java, memory, GRE, JVM, variables, data types, typecasting, conditional statements, loop methods. So this includes understanding of Java. Object oriented analysis, design and programming, version control system, so object oriented analysis is also included in stack development. Then design and programming, version control systems, GIT, object oriented analysis, design requirements analysis, reading documentation, class diagrams, object oriented programming, classes and objects, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. So this includes object oriented programming. Data structures and algorithms, it includes problem solving, analysis of algorithms, time and space complexity, bit manipulation, mathematics, recursion, etc. Building blocks of algorithms, arrays, searching algorithms, sorting algorithms. So these are building blocks of algorithms. Then elementary data structure, it includes linked lists, stacks, queues. Then advanced data structures, it includes strings, binary trees, binary search trees. Now introduction to web development, basics of internet and networking, HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. Then JavaScript, basics of JavaScript, intermediate JavaScript concepts, DOM manipulation, ES6, advanced JS concepts. So it is included in JavaScript. Now server side communication, JSON plus AJAX. So these are the softwares which that stack developer deals with, which are React plus Redux, basics of React, React events and forms, React routing, single page applications, testing React application, Redux, Node.js, Express.js and MongoDB. So these are softwares which are used for the database management, etc. So a stack developer knows about that also. So introduction to Node.js, so we have to study that. Then comes that the introduction to Express.js, then routing parameters, then introduction to databases, then introduction to MongoDB. Now Express plus MongoDB, that means these are two different softwares. Now introduction to Mongoose. So Mongoose is a application or software. Now user authentication. So authentication is basically the like our fingerprint reader in our phone. So it is a kind of authentication. When we put our finger in that fingerprint reader, it will authenticate our user authentication. So user authentication is that. Now unit testing and mocking. So testing of different kind of applications.